Resultant vector. Using the graphical and Pythagorean method. Let's have a review. A ship is sailing 15 kilometers west, then 25 kilometers south. There are two given displacement vectors, d1 and d2. To graph, draw the first vector, then connect the other vector on the arrowhead of the first vector. Our resultant vector dr is drawn from the tail of the first vector arrow to the head of the last vector arrow. From this example, we are actually adding two vectors. In graphical method, we are simply drawing our given vectors on a coordinate system by means of ruler and protractor, and use appropriate scale. Again, our resultant vector is drawn from the tail of the first vector arrow to the head of the last vector arrow. Let's have another example given three vectors. Let's have a sample problem. A group of soldiers walked 20 kilometers north from their camp, then walked 25.5 kilometers more due east. And this is the graph of the problem. Now let us focus on our graph. This is a right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. From the given d1 and d2, we solve for the magnitude of dr and the direction. And we have a resultant vector dr. Why north of east? It's because in geometry, the angle here is the same as the angle here, and that's north of east. The end of our lesson.